In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove TikTok watermark on your video. Facebook doesn't like watermarks, especially with the platforms they are competing with. So they don't want it on their platform. It might stunt your visibility. So that is the truth. So even if you have content on TikTok and you want to move them, repurpose them and move them to Facebook, you don't need to take them with the watermark so that your video can be able to perform well. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how you can get rid of TikTok watermarks on your video so as to post it on Facebook without the TikTok logo or TikTok watermark. Continue watching. To remove TikTok watermark from your videos or any videos you found on TikTok is very easy. Remember, Facebook doesn't like TikTok videos with watermarks, okay? Whenever you're posting videos on Facebook and you got the video from TikTok, it's advisable you remove the watermark, okay? So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in few minutes. To remove watermark from your TikTok videos, all you need to do is to locate the TikTok app on your phone. So tap on the TikTok app to open. So once it opens, you can either go for people's video in For You page like this, or you go for your own video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be removing watermark from my own video. It's also applicable to any video you got on the For You page or on TikTok generally. You're going to go to profile. Here that says profile, you tap on it. So I'm going to download the video or save the video first so that you see that when you download a video on TikTok, it comes out with the watermark even if it's your own video. Okay, so let's save this particular video here. You tap on the video, then you go to these three lines here, you tap on it, then you're going to see save video. So let's save the video first so that you see that if you download your own video too, it comes with watermark and is also applicable to other people's video on the platform. So let's save the video first. As you guys can see, it's saving. So video saved. Okay, so let's go to our gallery to see this particular video. Let's go to photos. So this is the particular TikTok video I saved in my phone. So as you guys can see, it has the watermark here. That is the TikTok logo, as you guys can see here. So we are going to remove this logo and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now go back to the TikTok app, then open TikTok app, then this is the video, right? Then tap. Once you tap, go to these three dotted lines again, you tap on it. Then you're going to look for copy link. Okay, copy the link of this video. So link copied, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is to go to your Chrome browser, close the app, go to Google Chrome, you tap to open, go to this Google search bar here, you type in snap tick. Okay, snap tick, the very first one here, you tap to open. So once it opens, the one you're going to go for is this particular one, snap tick, you tap to open. TikTok video download without watermark, fast, all devices, right? Link you copied from your TikTok video, you're going to paste the link here. Okay, so paste the link to that video. Okay, so this is the link to that video. Then tap on download. So this is the video here. Remember, this is the video. So as you guys can see here, this is download and this is also download, but this particular one, you can download your videos in HD, but for you to do that, you're going to watch an ad. Just watch an ad so that your video is going to maintain quality or high quality. Click on download HD. So as they say, you're going to watch ads of few seconds, and as you guys can see, you can skip the ads and the video is downloading here. Let's open details to see. So as you guys can see, the video is downloading. So our video is fully downloaded. You tap to open. Okay, this is our video. As you guys can see, this is the video. As you guys can see, it has no watermark. Hope you're seeing this. It has no watermark. This is how you can remove watermark from your video. And remember that if your video has sounds like music, remember that you don't use the same music you use on TikTok, on Facebook. All you need to do is to pass it through an editing app, then you remove the sound, right? So that you will not have any form of copyright when you post it on Facebook or any other platform, right? So hope this tutorial was helpful. If you got value from this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.